Welcome to Wenjin Helmets. Founded in 2006, Wenjin Motorcycle Accessories Company, Limited is located in Shunde District, Foshan City, Guangdong Province, with nearly 20 years of history. We specialize in the research, development, production, and sales of motorcycle and electric vehicle helmets. With 450 employees and a modern factory spanning 38,000 square meters, we have built a fully integrated production chain from raw material processing to finished products. At Wenjin, we adhere to the quality principle of pursuing infinity, challenging zero defects. Our products strictly comply with international standards, earning certifications such as China's 3C, the US DOT, and Europe's ECE 22.06. We have also achieved ISO 9001 to 2015 quality management certification. Our AR helmets are exclusively used by the CCIC West, a China testing institute, reflecting the superior quality and safety recognized by authoritative organizations. In recent years, Wenjin has achieved remarkable milestones. We were awarded the 2023 Guangdong Provincial Specialized and Innovative Enterprise Honor and have been recognized as a high-tech enterprise for 5 consecutive years. For 3 consecutive years, we received the local government's Economic Achievement Award. Wenjin has successfully listed on the Guangdong Equity Exchange, and our AR brand helmets are listed on the Hong Kong International Intellectual Property Exchange, receiving extensive media coverage and establishing our position as an industry leader. Our portfolio includes AR, GP, MY, RSV, GID, and FEISU brands, catering to both domestic and international markets. We actively participate in prominent trade fairs, such as the Beijing, Xi'an, and Chongqing Motorcycle Expos, the Canton Fair, and international events like the Milan Motorcycle Show and the Brazilian Motorcycle Show. Wenjin is not only a representative of helmet craftsmanship, but also a witness to the growth of China's helmet industry. Our sponsored racing teams have earned numerous accolades for our brands, while our partnership with the Pioneer Speed Racing Team has achieved success in motorcycle championships. We also host the AR Helmet Cup Off-Road Race and the GP Helmet Cup Off-Road Race, strengthening brand recognition. Wenjin has made its mark at events such as the Wuhan Rider Music Festival, Jiangtan Rider Carnival, and Zhuhai Racing Exhibitions. Understanding the importance of diversified brand communication, Wenjin has established a robust presence across digital platforms, including Douyin, WeChat, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and others. Additionally, we operate flagship stores on platforms such as Amazon, Alibaba, Douyin, Taobao, Tmall, JD.com, and Pinduoduo, ensuring convenient access for our global customers. Looking ahead, Wenjin remains committed to technological innovation and industry advancement, delivering safer and more exceptional helmets to riders worldwide. Wenjin helmets are more than just helmets. They represent trust and protection for every rider,